What's the meaning of Christmas? Christmas. Christmas.
Christmas. Christmas. Christmas is a Christian holiday that commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ. It is celebrated annually on December 25th by millions of people around the world. The holiday is typically associated with exchanging gifts, spending time with loved ones, and enjoying festive decorations such as Christmas trees and lights. In addition to its religious significance, Christmas has become a cultural phenomenon that has evolved over the centuries. Today, it is a time of joy, reflection, and community spirit that brings people together regardless of their background or beliefs.